Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm bringing you a very delicious recipe of beef lasagna. And this is one of my most popular recipes. Whenever I make it, my friends and family members love it. So let's start making lasagna. The ingredients you need to make lasagna are lasagna sheets. Here I have got Bolognese sauce, ketchup, 1 thinly sliced carrot, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 chopped onion, olive oil and 500 grams of minced beef. Here I've started to boil water and I will boil lasagna sheets in it. On this pan I'm going to start making beef mince, and for that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The first thing I'm adding in olive oil is chopped onion. I'm going to cook the onions until it's translucent in color, and then I'm going to add carrots and crushed garlic in this. Now I'm adding crushed garlic and 1 thinly sliced carrot. I cooked these 3 things for 5 minutes. Now you can see they're all softened. At this point I'm gonna add minced beef. On this side the lasagna sheets are being boiled, and here I'm gonna add some water and let it cook. I'll cover the lid and let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, so mince is now partially cooked. At this point I'm gonna add the Bolognese sauce. So I will add, I think, half a bottle, a little bit more. So I've saved this much. And at the same time I am going to add salt. That would be around 1 teaspoon or according to your taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good mix. And now I'm adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ketchup. And now let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Next, I'm going to start making the white sauce for lasagna. So the ingredients we need for white sauce are butter, milk, white pepper, some flour, and mozzarella and cheddar cheese mix. I'm going to start making the white sauce for lasagna. So here I've taken butter. You'll just let it melt. As soon as butter is melted, I'm gonna add the flour, and for this you need to continuously stir it, and straight away I'm going to add milk and keep on stirring. I think I will add a little bit more milk. And now I'm adding half a teaspoon of white pepper. And lastly, I'm going to add some mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And that's how the final consistency should be. Now I'm going to start layering the lasagna. So here I've got meat sauce, this is white sauce, lasagna sheets, and that's mozzarella and cheese mix. So in the pan I've just greased it, and now I'm gonna start layering it. So I'm going to put half of the meat sauce. This is my first layer. Spread it evenly. And on top of this I'm gonna add white sauce. Just drizzle it. Next I'm adding the lasagna sheets. Sprinkling some cheese over it. And then I'm gonna start the second layer. The second layer is going to be the remaining of the meat sauce. Next I'm going to drizzle all of the remaining white sauce over it, and then I'm going to top it up with the lasagna sheets.